January box for the Sewers Club. I love this subscription box. This is the best. It's the best. And I keep getting it because I love it so much and I love sharing it with you. If you are interested in getting this, I will put a code here on the screen to get it. And the thing I love most about this is that you get to pick everything. So you get to pick how often you get it. You get to pick what kind of fabrics you want, what prints you want. You get to pick your favorite colors. Then you don't get, first of all, what everybody else gets. It's customized for you, and you get what you will love. This is the Stash Builders box. This company also does a project box too, which is really cool too. I can't wait to see what's inside this month, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So let's get started taking a look inside this box. Okay, let's dig in and see what we got. Oh, my favorite part. Here is the list of all of the fabrics. Love it. And like I said before, I pick what types of fabrics I want. So let's take a peek. Okay, so this is a solid or a blender, which blends fabric. I love it. It's like a purple lilac-y color. Very nice. Oh, here's another purple. Definitely would work as a blender. It has shooting stars on it. Love that. Okay, I think I have some other fabrics that are the same print that were sent to me. I love this. I love this stripe, this bright pink stripe. How pretty. Okay. Oh, I love this for Valentine's Day. Look at those sweet hearts on the black background. Love, love, love. Okay. And here's another Valentine's Day. So one of the things I picked was holidays. I love holiday prints. Love this. The conversation hearts. Oh, how cute are they? And here is a cool, oh, what's the name of this? I'll put it up on the screen. I forget the design, but this is so pretty. I love it with the diamonds and is it Harlequin, I think? Love that for Valentine's Day or anytime. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Look at this print. It's so bright and vibrant. I love this. And anybody who knows me knows my favorite color is orange. So there's some orange in there. Oh, I love it. And it's free spirit. Doesn't surprise me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this. I keep saying I love it, but I don't know what else to say. This is so pretty. I know exactly what I'm going to use this for. Exactly. Love, love, love. Another blender or solid. Very nice. I love that turquoise color. Oh, here's another turquoise. Oh, I like this print. This is like old-fashioned. It almost looks like a rubbing, like, I don't know, like when we were kids, you'd rub like pencil over a design and it would show up like this. I love that. Ooh, ooh, the stripe. What a cool fabric. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Very interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. This might be my favorite. I don't think there's one in this box I don't like. This is gorgeous. And I think it goes with this one. And again, these aren't meant to go together, but they kind of coordinate sometimes in the box, but they don't have to, okay? So that's not part of the deal, but it does seem like sometimes they do coordinate. I love this, love this. All right, here's another turquoise blender, love it. Or solid, I guess. I'm trying to build up my solids, so I'm glad I'm getting some of these. This is great, I have quite a few now. Oh, I love this yellowy, mustard almost, greenish blender. Love that. Love that. It's got like a little bit of a grid. I want to say this one's called grid or something like that. Oh, oh, I love this too. Look at this yellow. Yellow is one of those that nobody seems to ever buy, I hear. I've heard that from our shop owner and stuff, that people don't usually buy yellows, but I actually really love yellows and oranges and stuff like that. Okay, I love that. All right, here they all are. They're not very neatly folded. I will fold them back up. But let's see, which one? I love this one. I like this one a lot. I like it. It's not that I don't like it. Boy, boy, I have so many favorites this month. Love that. Love this. These are great. Oh my gosh, I don't think there's a fabric here I don't like. If I were forced to choose my least favorite, it would probably be this one. But you know what? I still love it. I still love it. It's awesome. All right, these are not very neat. I promise I will fold them up neater. But they are fun to look at. Look at this. And I know, like I said, I know exactly what I'm using this one for. Okay, I managed to get them mostly back in there kind of neatly. I think I did pretty good. This yellow one, maybe not. But I love these, love these, love these, love these. If you're interested again in getting this box, make sure you check out the description below, the first comment below too. You'll get 25% off your first box. I love getting this surprise every month. I love it. And full disclosure, I do get this for free, and I do get a small portion if you do decide to subscribe to this box. So check it out. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.